How to find blocked people on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your blocked people list on Facebook in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in your menu section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after tapping on that, you'll be prompted to your settings section. And once you are in your settings section, simply scroll down until you see the option labeled as blocking, which is under the audience and visibility. So just tap on that, and here you will see the list of people that you have blocked. As of right now, I haven't blocked anyone on my friends list, but if you have ever blocked someone, you will see the list of people right here. And that's how you can find blocked people on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.